This is kitchen. Take the kitchen picture also.
Okay, this is the kitchen. I video. So they will, tomorrow, if they come with me, they already see. This is
Living area. That is dining space.
dining space, living area. Okay. Maybe they will like in here because it's spacious. They want a spacious one. This is the toilet. Yes, toilet. And then this is the maid's room. Okay. This is the first bedroom.
Bedroom
Yeah, I take. It's almost like in 1605, no? My place. 1605 is two bedroom my place. This 3 bedroom. But it is spacious. They will like it. And this is the master room. Okay.
Now,